Okay, welcome to this YouTube channel, which is the corrections of your mock paper. This is question 1, paper 2. It's a probability question. So Tom and Eve each buy identical packets of sweets which contain 3 different colours. There are 8 red, 8 blue and 8 white sweets in each packet. Tom picks a sweet at random from his packet. What is the probability that the sweet is blue? Well, first of all, the total number of sweets is going to equal 24, because 8 plus 8 is 16 plus 8 is 24. Blue sweets, as we're told in the question, is equal to 8. Therefore, there is 8 out of 24 chance of getting a blue sweet. Or in other words, simplify it down. 8 goes into that once, 8 goes into 24 3 times. You have a 1 in 3 chance, or a third chance, or 33.33333% chance of getting a blue sweet. Tom then picks another sweet from the packet. If Tom's first sweet is blue, is the probability that his second sweet is also blue greater than, less than, or the same as the original probability that the first sweet was blue? Justify your answer. Alright. Well, you've probably guessed for yourself, if there's less blue sweets the second time around, it's probably going to be less likely, but you have to justify your answer. Okay? So, first pick is 8 out of 24, or 1 over 3, or 8 out of 24. How many sweets are left after the first pick? Well, that is 3. There is 23 sweets left after the first pick. So, how many blue sweets are left? 7 out of how many? 23. And 7 out of 23 is less than 1/3. Therefore, less chance on second pick. Okay. And part 3, what is the probability that the first 3 sweets Tom picks are the same colour? Let's go with blue again, right? So to get blue, you have an 8 out of 24 chance. Then to get blue again, you're going to have a 7 out of 23 chance. And to get blue again, you're going to have a 6 out of 22 chance. Remember, these numbers are going down because I'm picking a sweet out every time. So there was 24 sweets. We assume I picked 1. Now I only have 23 sweets left, and now I have only 22 sweets left. And to get your answer, multiply, and you should get the following answer, which is 7 over 253. And that is the probability that the first 3 sweets Tom picks are the same colour. And finally, the last question then says, Eve particularly wants a blue sweet and she continues to pick sweets from her packet until she gets one. What is the probability that this will occur when she picks her third sweet? So what we're essentially saying is, we're going to have to take the probability of not getting blue, multiply it by the probability of not getting blue on the second pick, and then multiplying by the probability that she'll get a blue one on the third pick. So, what is the probability she won't get a blue on the first one? Well, it's going to be 24, because that's the total number of sweets, minus the 8 blue sweets, all over 24, which is the total amount of sweets at the moment. Now that one sweet has been picked, we're going to multiply that by 23 minus the 8 sweets that have also, or the 8 blue sweets that are still remaining, out of a total of 23 sweets. And then we're going to multiply that by, well, what's the probability of getting blue sweet now? Well, you have 8 out of 22 sweets now, because you've picked one from here and you've picked one from here, so 22 sweets. So 24 minus 8 is 16 over 24, multiplied by 15 over 23, multiplied by 8 over 22. And when you multiply that out, you get 40 over 253, and that's your answer there. Okay, so that's question 1, and that is the probability question.